If you think smoking is just a habit, think again. This is not a simple choice or routine. It has a real addiction that controls your brain and body chemistry. Those failed attempts to quit, they are not a lack of willpower. They are the result of fighting something you don't fully understand. In this video, I'll reveal the shocking truth behind smoking and why understanding addiction is the real path to freedom. Habits can be broken with willpower or routine. Smoking, no. Nicotine rewires your brain, chemically and biologically. Chemicals in cigarettes target the brain's pleasure, reward, and attention systems. Every cigarette retrains your brain to crave more. Dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemical, is released in a powerful way while smoking, making your brain associate cigarettes with pleasure, even though they harm your body. Most people try to fight the habit with sheer will. I one smoke today, I will resist the craving. But this is the wrong approach. Because what you're fighting is not a habit. It's a chemical addiction. Willpower alone leads to frustration, stress, and relapse. This is why most quit attempts fail. You are fighting your brain, not the behavior. Understanding addiction means knowing 1. How nicotine affects your brain and body. 2. Why cravings hit hardest after quitting. 3. How to gradually retrain your brain to reward itself naturally. Quitting is not a battle. It's a scientific process of restoring balance. Strategies include gradually replacing triggers, boosting natural rewards, understanding the craving withdrawal cycle. This makes quitting more achievable, less frustrating, and more sustainable. Most smokers think failure is a personal weakness. The truth, addiction is to blame, not your willpower. Once you understand this, every attempt becomes a learning experience, not a personal failure. Every step brings you closer to freedom, and every day, without a cigarette, gradually restores your brain to its natural state. Smoking is not a habit. It's a temporary chemical prison in your brain. Understanding is your key. Instead of fighting yourself, learn how your brain works. Understand addiction, and start your journey to quit scientifically, smartly, and successfully. The first step starts with awareness. And awareness starts now. Type in the comments, "I understand addiction," and share this video with anyone you care about who needs freedom from smoking. Knowledge is the first step to freedom.